What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with the 5th scale Rampage V3, running on 8S. GPS of 1.6 right there. Hope you guys see it. I was gonna use the other GPS on the front, but I guess it wasn't plugged in. It wasn't charged, but it wasn't plugged in. So the one is fine for now. So let's do this. I'll go ahead and turn on the fans. On my last run, I got a 83.6 miles per hour, not kilometers. You're more than welcome to watch that video. All right, let's do this. All right, 2.6. Let that car go by. It's funny, I've been here for about 5 minutes and there was no cars coming, and right when I go to the road, and that's when they start coming. But it's all right, it's all good. Give it a push start because it's got the high gearing. Oh, see another car coming from the other side. I really got to be careful. There's stupid people out there trying to, and it happened to me 3 times already. They don't know how to, they have no respect. They try to run it over, and if I wouldn't be paying attention, you know, I had to press the trigger, so I move it out of the way. And it's been 3 times already that happened to me. People just don't have no respect for others. All right. All right. Whew. All right, we are ready. All right, I gotta turn it back around again. For some reason now it's skipping signal, and it's really annoying when that happens. Sorry for the long video, guys. It's just really freaking annoying when that happens. Huh. Let me try from the other side, from over there, because let's see where we at. It's really annoying. I can hear the system clink, clink, clink. Like skipping 71. That's nothing. Start from the other side. It's really annoying when that happens though. better signal on this side. Okay, let's do this again. Damn it, what's up with the signal? It's really annoying. Damn it. I mean, give me 1 second, guys. 1 second here. Alright, let's do this again. Still at 71.6. It's really annoying. I really apologize, guys. Wasting the battery charge because of the signal. I don't know. Today has been, I don't know. It's just other times it's fine. All right. Shit. All right, this is getting out of control. I don't know what's going on today. Ah, 76. Damn. I really apologize, guys. Why is the other one? That's why it's hot. Freaking motor was off. The fans. All right, let's do this again. Wasting the charge of the battery on this crap. I don't want to overheat it either. All right, let's start from the other side. I don't know what's going on. I'm probably gonna have to put like a battery on the receiver or something. But it's been fine, you know. It's just I don't know what's going on. Alright, sorry for the long video, guys. It's really annoying. Damn, that one was doing really good right there. Ah, another car. Another car. 78. Come on, what are you freaking braking for? Go ahead. Damn, hope I got enough juice on the batteries for full throttle, but I can't do it yet. Stressful, too stressful. All right, turn around. It's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. Hopefully I got enough juice on that one. All right. That was a good one. I kind of full throttle away when it passed me. So hopefully I got enough juice to pass the 85. 82. Yeah, I'm gonna. That was a good one too. If this one last run was just like would have been the first one, I know I would have passed the 85. But the batteries they already got a few rounds on them. Shit, but 82.2. Damn. That's all right. 82.2 it is. I mean, there's nothing else I could say. It just signal wise, because right when it's on full throttle, not full throttle, but like more gas, it's the signal skips, then it comes back again and it gets out of control. So it is what it is, guys. But 82.2 is good. I mean, this last run was like straight. It was going straight and nice. But the batteries, they got a few runs on them, so I didn't have enough juice. So 82.2, it's okay. I mean, it is what it is, guys. I'm even shaking a little bit. I'm freaking pissed off too. I really apologize, guys. It's just annoying. This never happens out here, skipping signals. I don't know what's going on, but it's all right. Alrighty, guys. You guys have a good day, and hopefully next run will be a lot better, and I'll probably put a little extra battery on the receiver or something. You guys let me know on that one, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. You guys have a good